morning. Let me see what the market's doing. So we're gonna dive into Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we're gonna see what's up and how the market is doing and holding up so far. So this is right now on the daily. We have this sideways action since November, and it's been really bad. We had higher highs, higher lows, as you can see. You know, this I thought we were gonna break out. This was the closest we have been to breaking out, but I knew this was gonna be hard because again it's 98K. That's a lot of resistance. So we came back down and made a lower low from beginning of January. But in the grand scheme of things, this will be still considered as a higher low. But it's not really nice to see, and it's a bit weak, man. You have support around like 88, 89K ish, 88K. I mean, it's really simple, guys. If you lose that support, it's gonna come down to 84 to the mid level, and it's gonna hurt alts. And guys, look at this. You have the daily 10 with the daily 21 crossing bearishly, not bullishly, bearishly. Okay, so hopefully we can get above it again, right? But it's been horrendous. And look what's above you, man. It's the daily 200-day EMA. It's not easy to break this, man. I was really hoping we would, because that would confirm that we are out of the bearish trend for a long time. But as long as we are under the daily 200-day EMA, guys, it's just all freaking hopium. Okay? But again, I am gonna be positive, right? Because we still have a higher low here. We still didn't break this wick. So I want to be positive and, hope we continue. Because my previous stream, I was bullish for a reason because things were looking really good. But we have a orange clown as a president in the US who just says things and it has effect on the market. So we have a MACD, uh, unfortunately crossing bearishly again. Everything under 92.5 is gonna be bearish. So your bearish momentum picked back up on the 20th of January. That was the day I got my degree. But yeah, I mean, look, it's not end of the world, but we need to get above 92K to be bullish again, or above 93 to be honest. Um, we have MACD right here. Oh, wait a sec, I just checked MACD. Sorry. Let me just put this back down. Yeah, I need my RSI to be honest. Yeah, so RSI is showing mixed signals, right? So RSI was all the way back up to those same levels as October. And look, we are bouncing from the bearish control zone. So hopefully we don't go underneath it, man. I want to see this bounce and then, get back up, man, above 50 and resume and, see this as one big bullish divergence, that's going on. Let's see if it's bullish divergence. I mean, if you look at from this angle, not really. Yeah, but at least we're not in the bearish control zone yet. So I mean that's all good. And now we have the Stoke RSI, which is kind of looking good. We want to cross bullishly, so hopefully we have a bounce in upcoming hours because this has been reset because of that drop. So let's see, man. We have fuel to go up on the daily at least. So hopefully this is it. And I think we will go to 91.5k to retest the daily 10. That's what I'm thinking, and maybe we get rejected there, but we'll see. Now we're gonna look at the weekly, and to be honest, guys, like the weekly tells me the full story. Look, you guys have to remember my way of looking for a bottom structure, on higher time frames is really simple. You're gonna have to look for a closure above the weekly 10, and yes, you did have one back here on the 12th of January. It was looking really good, like really looking really good. You had a closure above the weekly 10. But unfortunately, the week after, it got effed over by, external factors, right? As you have seen on the news and all that stuff. And now we had this, this rejection again from the weekly 10. That's why, like, if you want to be fully in the market, you're gonna have to buy higher prices and wait for like a bullish cross, and then you buy around here, like around here, your altcoins. You're gonna have to pay premium prices, but you're gonna be sure, you're in, or you're just FAFO, like find out and fuck around and find out basically, and you try to buy coins during this sideways range, and you're gonna have to DCA, and it's very annoying to DCA, right? When this happens, it's up to you, right? But on the weekly, you can see we didn't retest this wick yet at 80k, which we did do back in February. Right now, you lost 90k, as you can see, and it looks we wants to go down back to these lows from December, back down to 85, but not confirmed yet. Hopefully we can close back above the weekly 10, but it's going to be require a closure of the weekly 10. It was looking good though, man. It was looking really good. Sucks, man. And we still have the weekly 200-day EMA around 68k, which is still a legit target. Okay, I don't want to scare anyone, but coming back down to the weekly 10, it wouldn't be the first time that it happened. Okay, like around like 68, 74k. That's price can also go there easily because this just doesn't look that great. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, but I will still be hopeful. Unless we lose this week, unless we lose 80k, I you know it's just game over. RSI wise on the weekly, I mean, look, I did say this previous stream. This is not looking that bad, but it needs to be a retest. Okay, it needs to be a retest of the bearish controls, and then we have to go up from here. There, I don't want to see us breaking down like this. Like I just don't want to see that, man. Hopefully this is gonna be some bullish divergence, some like higher low structure on RSI wise, and we go. Like this is gonna be the launch pad, and then we go right there. But it's gonna have to bounce. It's gonna have to bounce from here, right? It's gonna have to bounce from here. Otherwise, I'm gonna target this one. MACD wise, look, MACD wise again. This was looking so good before, the guy opened his mouth about tariffs. But man, we were looking out for a bullish cross, man, on the MACD for the first time since May 2025, man. That was gonna be it's gonna be the first cross. Yeah, so basically it says here you're gonna have to close above 90.3k to have that cross again. So you're gonna have to be patient for now. And maybe this will get invalidated. Um, Unfortunately, man, because of outside factors. We have the Stoke RSI still looks good, guys. So this still looks to go. Has fuel to go more up. That's why I still think we're gonna maybe retest 98.5. But again, it's very unfortunate, man, that that it's happening, and we have volatility kicking in really soon. So our move is about to happen anyways. So let me see if some more people joined. Oh yeah, what's up, Colony? Hey, highly addicted. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate it. Um, Thank you very much, Mono. Thank you very much. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, thank you very much, Cool Orc. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I know we are not with a bunch of people here, but I know always after the stream I get some questions. So please let me know. I won't keep the stream for too long open. But yeah, that was basically Bitcoin. If I go to the monthly, I mean, monthly still looks fine, and we are almost at the end of the month. We have this, nasty wick. You can see the monthly 10 is boss right now. Monthly 10 is the one you want to get above. You can see that's your bullish indicator. Basically, every time you're above the monthly 10, you're basically just ride the wave up. Right now, you got rejected by it because it's a very strong resistance, as you guys can see, and you are holding the monthly 21. So hopefully we can hold this up. RSI wise, there's not really much happening. Bearish divergence still playing out. It will get invalidated if we get above this bullish control zone again, but it can take a couple months. So with that being said, I will look at some other stuff. I mean, we can go through Ethereum. Ethereum is the same story, right, man? It's rejected by the EMAs. Daily, it's holding supports, but not really looking bad. You can see clear rejection by the daily 200 EMA. I think if you look at RSI wise, same as Bitcoin, a little bit weaker rejection, right? So this one went into the bearish control zone, tried to get it back up, rejection, and now it's wants to try to get back down. Targets all the way down to 2.6 back to this wick if it stays weak like this. Very simple. And you know why that matters is because the weekly 200-day EMA is literally there, right? And I don't see any strengths, you know, besides we did bounce and we are not in the bearish control zone yet. Maybe this wants to get a little bit lower, do something like this, and then we go again. Regarding other altcoins besides Bitcoin ETH, we have BNB. Is still showing a little bit more strength than the rest of the altcoins. Oh, sorry. Yeah, showing more strength than the rest of the altcoins. As you can see, Solana, uh, big big rejection. Wait, let me just tell my nephew. 1 second. Sorry for this. Yeah, so we have Solana, of course, right? The main indicator for on-chain crypto coins to go up or down, and we're gonna have to see how that goes. We are right now at 148 dollars, where the rejection was, of course, and that's the resistance level for March. And again, we're getting held by the weekly 200-day EMA, so hopefully we don't get back there. But I know Mono's here, right? Mono is someone that's in Aria with me, and Mono, I'm gonna tell you right now, brother, if you want Aria to stay strong, we need Solana, okay? So, like Solana is needed to stay strong. If Solana goes down, then it doesn't matter what happens. Arya will unfortunately go down, man, with it, because Solana is the pair that's paired against, like Solana's paired against Arya, right? So we need Solana to stay strong, but it's just a lower high. Did you play Seapool? Nice that you said that. So I'm gonna look at Seapool. Yeah, I bought a little bit, but I had a stop loss on that one, man. Let me see how it's doing. Did you buy? I hope you didn't, because that one is something is happening with it, which is not good. Good fundamentals, but tokenomics are getting slaughtered right now. Let me just see what's happening with Cpool. But yeah, those were the bigger coins, right? So I mean, not much has changed since I last streamed. Just a nasty rejection from the weekly 10. So like, there's nothing bullish for Solana until you get above 150. Let's see, Cpool. Requests. There you go. Clearpool. Oh man, this looks bad. This looks bad. Wait, warrior. Yeah. So, auspicious man. This looks disgusting, brother. This looks very bad. Okay, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. This looks so bad. Like, I won't touch. I'm happy my stop loss got hit because this looks wrecked. This looks wrecked. Okay, like this, I wouldn't touch this right now. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see if we can buy it here, bro. I'm see if we can buy it here. I'm gonna play some bits here. I'm gonna play some bits today here at 1.6 cents. This is where I'm gonna bid, and then with a stop loss underneath, man. That's what I'm gonna do. I've been holding. Well, that's a long time ago, bro. Like, you talk about years ago, bro. Like, that was when the first time I talked about C-Pool, I made good money on it, man. That was here, bro. That was here, bro. And I sold, by the way. I shared that. I still remember, brother. I shared that stuff. People were angry at me when I sold. Like, I was on Twitter. I said I sold C-Pool and I got freaking slaughtered for it, man. I'm happy I never listened to that crap, man. I just sold it. But yeah, I'm gonna have a bit at 1.6 cents, man. I'm gonna have a bit here, but this is disgusting. So I don't know what's happening. I have a friend. He's an ambassador at C-Pool, and I'm gonna tell him what's happening. But look, it had a pump before to 60 cents, and now I have no idea. But look, honestly, all altcoins are looking this bad. I'm gonna go through some more. Yeah, well, I don't know what levels you bought, man. I mean, if you bought at like $1, I don't know if you're gonna get your money back, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you, man. That's gonna be a long way to wait, man. It's gonna be a long way to wait. If you bought like 10 cents, maybe it will come back, but let me look at their let me see if there's any FUD or something regarding that. It's a good project, man. I can't lie. And they make also money, so they still follow me for some reason. Let's see, Clearpool. Yeah, they follow me still. Yeah, 6 hours ago. Yeah, I mean, this is the future. Wow, okay, cool. Okay, well, they're still very much active, but it's just that tokenomics are just still bad, man. There's nothing you can do. You're gonna have to wait it out, man. Yeah, well, I have some altcoins that are also wrecked. I mean, that's the story for everyone, brother, man. There's nothing you can do. Look at someone. Look, guys, look at Sui, man. Look at this. Look at this rejection. Very, very nasty rejection, man, from those highs from April. Man, that's insane. Same with Sui, man. It's looking wants to go lower. As of now, of course, depends on Bitcoin. Remember Ondo Finance? Anyone here? I think it's still a good project fundamentally, but I'm gonna have to like it here, man, at 20 cents. So I'm gonna see if it fills this wick. I'm gonna place a bid here, okay? I'm gonna place a bid between like around this wick and this low, like around 20 cents and 22 cents. If it holds, then I'm gonna have a nice little little buy. And if it doesn't, I will get stopped out under 20 cents. I think it's worth it. I think Ondo is still fine fundamentally. There's nothing wrong with it. Just the market is shit. And it's been in a downtrend since September. So I do kind of like these conditions because this is the conditions where, most people will miss out on. Like always, of course. And we are in a bear market, by the way, just for anybody like wondering. Yeah, we are, man. Unless Bitcoin can get above certain levels, but we are definitely for altcoins. But we've been like this Ondo has been in a downtrend since September 8th. It depends how you want to look at it. I mean, you can also say it was in a downtrend since December, but I'm gonna look at it from this point, right? And at some point it is gonna break out, man. So I'm gonna try to bid some stink bits around this wick right there. I mean, same with OP. OP basically same story. Look, I think Psy Network is sitting at very interesting levels, man. It's back at where it was. Literally back where it was, man. I don't know if you're looking at this auspicious, but look at this, man. This is Psy. Wow, look at that. Sitting back at the levels where it was launched, so this is also insane value to just to try and, put a stop loss under the wick. Very simple, stop loss under 9.3 cents or wait till it goes lower. Yeah, Mental Network is getting ready to go lower again. I think it's losing support. All these altcoins are just getting wrecked right now, man. It's Bitcoin. Bitcoin is king. If Bitcoin is, weak, these altcoins are weak, man. It's nothing you can do. Nothing you can do, man. Doesn't matter how bullish something is. Um, yeah, same with for this one. This one had a nice pump, got rejected from the highs from February, rejection, and yeah, nothing you can do. Hyper liquid, man, huge dump. Looking for $17. By the way, Tau also rejection, looking for the lows again. So everything basically is looking back, retraced every like the whole move. It's so weak, shit, man. I mean, look at ENA, guys. Look at ENA. ENA is losing the low. Wow, guys, ENA is getting wrecked, man. ENA just lost the low from September. So, you know why this candle happened? Is because the stop losses got triggered of many people because they had the stop loss under this wick. Now there's no support, okay? So ENA is gonna fill this wick. So if you want to bid this coin, 13 cents, man. 13 cents and then play the bounce, right? I think it will bounce again from here all the way up to there. I mean, of course, if Bitcoin doesn't bounce. If Bitcoin bounces from here, then maybe this will catch some bids. But man, this is looking really bearish, man. This is like the third week. It's getting heavily dumped. I'm not gonna go into this. I'm gonna remove this coin from my list. Aptos, dead. Dead coin. Dead coin. I'm not gonna even waste my time. Arbitrum, at this point, it's holding nothing. Air. It's gonna fill the wick at this point. 10 cents. Aave, rejection. I think it's gonna go back to support. Back to 136 to 126. But it's catching air right now, or I'm gonna have to say that this wick right there is the midline right there. So it's holding it. Just to be nice for it, man. It's like 148. Look, man, mid caps, guys. Like I went through mid caps the other day. I mean, it's still going down. Nothing changed, man, since the last time I streamed. And that's why, like I'm not really motivated to stream. Like, how is this fun, man? This is just fucked. The only thing that what I can do is identify. The only thing is I can identify the lows and then place a bid there. Yo, what's up, Colony? Colony know what I'm talking about because he's in Hoff server, and Hoff is doing the same thing. Like me and Hoff are in calls. I mean, the only thing that we're doing is looking for lows, and then we bid there, man, for like long-term swings. Um, Layer zero showing some strength against market conditions as of now, but maybe this will get rejected. But for now, every single coin is just under their weekly 10 and weekly 21. That's how I know they're weak, man. So they will be strong again when they're above the weekly EMAs again, but as long as they're underneath, it's just not looking good. Some of them are scamming, or you can see that they're trying to scam their way up above the weekly EMAs. Yeah, maybe looks interesting, but no confirmation yet. But for us, all these coins, man, look at this one. Like, I mean, you can place a bid, exchange listing price, man. Try. Same for this coin, man. Saga. Looking extremely bearish, man. It's gonna take out the wick, right? It's gonna take out the wick. Maybe place a bid back at exchange listing. It's the lowest price you will get for this coin, man. Saga. If it breaks exchange listing, then just never look at it back again. The only one I personally think is still worth it is Virtuals. It's still holding up, even it's still in a downturn, but at least it's stronger than most coin. This is and people already placed a bid because AI is still hot, man. AI is still a hot topic. Yeah, Colony is saying altcoins are getting wrecked. Well, that's what I said, Colony. Altcoins are in a bear market since a year now. Like that's 100% true, bro. 100% true. They are in a bear market, man, and they are still in the bear market. They are still in the bear market. I mean, just look at my list. I'm just pressing space. Like, does this look like a bull market? Okay, I would say Rose against all odds. This was looking bullish. What's up, Danya? How you doing? Uh, this is the only one, man. What the hell? But look. What did I tell you guys, right? What did I tell you guys? You have to bid when you break the wick. When you break the wick, see what happened on Rose? People saw that wick got taken out from the October, and look, it's having some strength, man. I mean, in grand scheme of things, it's very low, but hey, Danny, alhamdulillah, I'm good, man. I just got my degree on Tuesday. My bachelor thesis, man, in bachelor degree in IT. So I'm doing really well. I'm chilling right now. So I would say that's my biggest win, Danya, of this bull run, getting my degree. Thank you, thank you. So that's why I'm chilling on the stream. We just chilling, man. There's not much to do. Market is shitty. We're looking for some like bottom structures, man. Look at Rose, guys. Nice, looking. Yeah, nice strength. But is it gonna hold up? People are shorting the hell out of this. Wow, Pi Network. I remember I was bullish on this. But again, it took the. Oh, it didn't do that yet. It's gonna take that wick out too. Wow, Pendle. Wow. It's back to those lows from August. Oh yeah, Paul, another coin that was shielded, man, by a lot of influencers. Actually, I shared this one, man. I was not that bearish on it. 200% move. Yeah, it's looking stronger than other coins. Um, or the dead. Holy shit, guys! Remember Monad? And yes, I was bullish on it. I would say in a bull market conditions, maybe this will get some bits, but it at least it didn't break the low yet. I mean NFTs are dead. Let's be honest, NFTs are dead. I'm not gonna even look at NFTs. Oh man, Linnea guys, if you guys remember Linnea, man, these VCs, how much money they stole from people. Look at this coin, man. This is on a weekly, by the way. Okay, Mon, have a good day, brother. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like above 10 weeks of only down only, man. What a shame of a coin. I'm gonna post about this coin, by the way, on Twitter after the stream. This is painful, man. Linnea, they they had such a big race, man, and look what happens. Lido, wow, back to 50 cents. Let's see, man, if it fills the wick. Injective, look under EMAs. Yeah, so like I don't want to go through all of these because they all look the same, honestly. They all look the same, and it's not gonna get better because you have token unlocks. So the only thing that can save these coins and their prices is Bitcoin. Honestly, like Bitcoin, we need a closure, man, above 98K for these altcoins to truly, find their way again, man. Did someone ask for Bitcoin dominance? Highly addicted. Yeah, I'm gonna look at that right now. Let me just finish this up really quick. What is this? This is Porto. Oh man, they all look ass, man. That's wow, wow, Merlin. Hopefully people don't get wrecked. That's a brutal dump, man. Let's see. This one somehow home is looking bullish out of most coins. Nice. What is this? Guns? Wow, guns also recovered. Damn. Okay, cool. That's like a game coin. Yeah, so there are some coins here and there that are actually looking. What the hell is this, man? Oh man, I remember this coin. Wow, this one did like a 23x somehow. What the hell? Yeah, so you guys can see, right? The liquidity is low, so you're gonna have some scam pumps here and there. This one also looks kind of interesting. This bio coin. This one looks bottomed, honestly. This one looks bottomed. It's holding very strong, that low here, and it's looking like a weekly squeeze. So I think if Bitcoin goes up, I think that they're gonna scam this one up because it's looking it wants to go. but I don't see confirmation yet. But keep this one on your list because this one looks actually bottomed out, man. Unless it loses the wick, but this one looks good. Bio. Uh, yeah, for the rest, this one looks Alora. Wow, just getting wrecked. Uh, Pull. Anything else, man? Low cap's just bad. What is this Zig chain? Oh my God, this looks wrecked, man. This was a coin that was shielded so heavily by all the shitty influencers, man. It's gonna get low. I don't know if you guys heard about this coin, Zig chain, but it was all over my timeline, and man, so many people got wrecked by this coin. It's gonna go down lower. This coin. For the rest, I don't see anything special. So I'm gonna move over to Bitcoin dominance. Yeah, no, Bitcoin dominance looks bullish, highly addicted, and this is because of altcoin weakness. But sadly enough, man, we did recover the EMAs, man. I was thinking that we were gonna get rejected, but 61% still I'm eyeing because ETH is losing strength. Sadly enough, guys. I wish it was different. But this one actually looks good again, man, and it looks like it wants to go higher. So, but Bitcoin always goes up first. I mean, look at the monthly. Yeah, man, this sucks, man, because the monthly also wants to go up again. You know, we want to recoup the monthly 10. I wish I could be bearish, man, but it is what it is. And also, look at this. You see what I'm seeing? This is USDT dominance, guys, right? People are again back in stable coins, you know. I thought the other week, right when I streamed, is that we're gonna lose the weekly 10, which we did. But when Trump announced that tariff shit, you know, we people got back in cash, and now we're back up, and now we are consolidating, so people are back in USDT. You know, that's why the market is so shitty right now. Like we want to see a steady move down, right? So liquidity can flow back into the market, but people are just scared, and I understand. It's better to be in stable coins right now than in crypto because crypto is just going down every single day, sadly enough, right? Um, yeah, for the rest, what's there to look at, man? Let's see, dollar. Dollar's gonna reject, at least that's nice. Stock market. I mean, the S&P is looking good, man. S&P had a dip back down to 6.8, but it looks it wants to go back up, pushing higher. I think people are now focused on mostly on silver and gold. Silver and gold are like right now the strongest assets right now in the world. If I would check, yeah, look at gold, man. It made a new high. Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. Look at gold. I wish Bitcoin could do this, man. Wish Bitcoin could do this, but look at that, man. Gold gold's going insane, man. Just going insane. Same with silver too. Let's see, what is this? This is palladium, another metals, right? Commodities up. Wow, this is silver, as you can see, $95 a piece, which is insane. And yeah, this is gonna keep going. Look, also copper. Yeah, so all the metals are basically just screaming up, up and up and up. This is frozen orange juice also looking back up. Um, Live cattle futures. What is this? Natural gas pumping up. Yeah, platinum, all-time highs. Yeah, insane. Yeah, not looking good, man. Not looking good, man. The economy looks fried, man. I can't lie, it looks fried as hell. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's it, really, man. Yeah, I think we checked most things. I mean, even the Dutch stock market's all-time high. So there you go. Stocks in the Netherlands had all-time high. But for the rest of the markets, it's not looking good. Yeah, so nice. We see Bitcoin bouncing. This is because of the stock market, okay? The stock market's looking, a little bit it wants to go. So hopefully Bitcoin is gonna show some. We are holding this low. Okay, we are holding this low. For the rest, like what advice can I give? Like if you want to enter altcoins, you're gonna have to DCA and have stop losses under certain lows. Like for example, if you want to DCA into Psy, then honestly like this is the place to do it. Like I wouldn't wait, man. You can DCA here, place a stop loss under the wick, man, at like on under 10.3 cents. This is the place. Many coins are looking like this, so and yeah, they will react, and yes, they will come back. But I cannot guarantee all of them, but some of them will come back, some of them won't, you know. So, do you guys have any questions? Otherwise, I can make this in a little bit of a shorter stream because there's just not much to look at, and I don't want to waste your guys' time. Because I don't want to waffle too much, and the market is it's very boring at the moment. Unless you guys have any requests want me to go through, please let me know in the chat. I'll give it like a couple minutes. If nobody replies, then I'm gonna, enjoy my, university free life for now until I get a job. And I don't know, like watch a movie or something. Because I tried to look at charts, but charts all look down only, so there's not much I can look at charts. Just waiting for waiting for Bitcoin at this moment. Tommy? Okay, I will. Wait, wait. Tommy is a coin that I know, Colin. That was actually a good coin, man. Like, what happened to it? Did anything happen to it, bro? I remember this coin, man. Is it this one, Tommy? Oh, this is gonna, yo, Colin, this is gonna look bad, right? I know this is gonna look bad because it's only on Gate and these shit exchanges, bro. Okay, let me see. Oh my God, bro, what is this, dude? Yo, wait a second, man. We're gonna have to look the backstory of this. Oh my God, bro, this coin is. What the hell? Yo, Dani, are you still here? Yo, Dani, look what coin he gave us, man. Oh my God, this coin went from $6.84 back to I don't even know the zeros. Let me check the backstory from this. Is very interesting, man. I remember this coin being very strong, bro. What happened to it? Oh my God, man, that's crazy. Oh, they raised the supply. Oh my God, man. That's insane, dude. Wow, wow, wow. But what is their wait, you didn't go wrecked on this, right? I hope you didn't, man. This looks so trash, man. Oh, they still have the guts to have Twitter? No way. Dude, oh, that's just sad, bro. So what are you doing with this, man? Like you tried to buy small stuff, like small coins. But I wouldn't download this. Look how this looks, man. I can build something better with cloud, man. The hell is this? Doesn't even work. What the hell, man? It looks so bad, dude. It looks so bad, man. Yeah, no way. I'm not gonna trust their wallet. How the hell do they still have money anyways to do updates? And this coin is so wrecked. Dude, every comment, by the way, Colony, is like just look at this. Scammer, scammer, scammer. Oh my God, man. Every single comment. Look at this. Scam, scam, scam. Lost all my money. I lost 30K. Fucking cunts. Fix this, fix that. Oh my God, bro. Dude, I would go insane. What is this? You shouldn't understand. Oh, look at this. Fuck you. Delisted. Nice, bro. Hey, Colin, bro. Get the hell out of this coin, bro. What do you think? Is the bottom in, bro? Is the bottom in for this? Is the bottom in? I mean, people are in despair right now, man, on this coin. Nah, fucking, I'm not gonna look at this. Yeah, this is wrecked, wrecked. It's a brand new coin too, man. It came out in 23, so yeah, yeah. I wouldn't, bro. I wouldn't. Put in Arya instead, man. Arya actually is getting some love. Let me check Arya really quick. 'Cause actually, this coin is from Louis, man. And Louis is a friend of me and Hoff, and actually he's a real dev, man. Nice. This thing is getting some love again. Good. Yeah, look, it's getting out of its downtrend slowly. Good to see, man. So I would put $10 in this instead, man, if I were you. No financial advice, of course. Then that stuff. At least we know who's building Arya, man. Yeah. Look, for the rest, yeah. I mean, Bitcoin looks for a bounce right now, man. So Bitcoin looks for a bounce. Yeah, let me give you a link, man, for that one. Me and Huff are also in it for over a year. I mean, this one took a heavy dump too, but it's everything got a heavy dump anyways. Here, this is Arya, man. I'm in this. I helped them. I helped the team. So marketing and stuff. Hopefully someday, man, this can recover back to 2 million again. And I do own some of this, but I don't rely on their coin or whatever. But yeah, for the rest, I'm still in stables. I'm stabled the hell up. I'm waiting till I see some weekly 10 movement. But as of now, guys, Bitcoin is trying to go again. But again, I did tell you guys, I think we're gonna retest 91.5k, retest the EMAs. Yeah, I think we're gonna do that. If we can get above the EMAs, guys, we are gonna try again for the daily 200. And then, like I said, I'm not saying, guys, like don't buy alts or whatever. You know, if you want to buy alts, many are sitting at all-time lows. Bid here, man. I would bid here and forget. Sorry, not forget. Put the stop loss on the next low and just try it out, man. See how it goes. So, guys, I'm gonna go. There's not much to talk about anymore. We have to wait for Bitcoin. Maybe I'll do a weekend stream, okay? Because I have no more school or university. I have all the time right now. So if you guys are up for it, maybe I can do like a Sunday stream. I will try to get half on it. But right now, streaming is very boring. Um, just like almost no interaction, not many people, and hope you guys understand, man. It's hard to stream in these conditions, so I'm also doing my best to keep everybody entertained. But we need to get some action, man, with Bitcoin dominance coming back down or USDT dominance coming back down, and Bitcoin recouping some levels. Yeah, and see you guys in the Discord, man. Feel free to share whatever, man. I'm gonna upload the video and see you guys in the next stream. Goodbye.